Now, most of us live with Visa, the global tech payments company, in our everyday lives. Now, they're getting heavily into the crypto space, but stock price has been declining over the last short while. So does this offer an opportunity for investors and traders to the upside? Well, I'm going to take a look in Chart of the Day. Hello, I'm Stephen Hode, trader and founder of TheStopHunter. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. Looking at the weekly line chart here, and we can see with that parallel yellow channel that I've put on top of the chart there, that the COVID pandemic was actually good for the stock price growth of Visa. During that whole period, it went up to highs around the 250 area, and then when things started to calm down with COVID, it broke back down through the 61.8% Fibonacci line and then to the 50% line, around about $200, and has since bounced since again the COVID pandemic has kicked back in with Omicron. And we can actually see on the right hand side that I put the volume profile, and you can see most of the volume over the period 2019 to at the end of 2021 has been in that zone of $210 down to about $190, and then we slip back down to around about 180 where there's another bunch of action. But at the moment, price reversing on itself and maybe moving back up towards that channel. Because we've been more bullish of late in the price, we're looking for reversals back downwards as a bearish play. And if you are bearish Visa, then 207 and 190 using the 4 line break chart with a 2 bar reversal and 4 bar reversal would be your entry points. In terms of 2021, it's really been made up of 2 periods, and on the 1-day Heikin-Ashi chart here you can see the pink and blue 2 standard deviation regression bands drawn from the lows actually of sort of full time of 2020, and you can see how that progressed on upwards, and then that break around August time back downwards has been trading within those channels, and currently signals are both bullish, volatility roughly where it should be around about 30-31%, annual volume also trading around its longer term moving average. Now price has moved back in within inside the 2 pink line band breakout box setup system and is moving within that downward regression band, but maybe the upside regression band, that bottom of pink area of the uptrend that we saw the early part of the year, could be a potential upside target and would time with a break at that top of that pink line on the box breakout setup. For the Renko chart, then for Visa, I've used a $1.20 block size, and all the signals are currently bullish. Day's action has been reasonably welcoming for it, and price still trading under the longer term moving average, but we did get a buy signal around $204 there, and it's making sort of steady progress backwards. Trend slightly down still, so it's still got a bit of work to do, but feeling a bit more bullish with upsides at around about 226 to 230, then 235 to 240, and then if it does put its foot on the gas, first stop then $260 into downside, back into the short-term noise between $195 and $200, then below $200, 187 sort of area, and then down to $175, $172. Visa then overall score week bullish, and the Heikin Ashi warming up a bit. Overall score week bullish there as well, although the trend is still down and bearish. Renko again a bit of a mixed bag, but week bullish overall. And up in the top right hand corner, the 4-line break chart numbers if you are bearish Visa at 207 and 190 using that 4-line break setup. And into the targets to the upside, we got 1.38 and 2.521, and to the downside 1.5 and 2.7521. So a little bit to play with there in the shorter term, but overall a weak bullish score for Visa. With Visa moving more heavily into the crypto world, and the COVID virus rearing its ugly head again through the Omicron variant, may be creating a recipe for Visa to move on back upwards. And the technical analysis also helping and warming up to the upside. Let me know in those comments below whether you agree, disagree today's analysis. Do you trade Visa? Have you got any opinions where you think it might be heading next? Let me know in those comments. And if you've liked today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons to receive future notification of content I'm going to produce just like this. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.